The tabernacle had recipes that were not for personal use, and the punishment for doing so was very serious. But why? What was so special about the anointing oil and the incense mentioned in the Bible?
It's the same type of imagery that we see with the holy incense that's burned on the altar of incense in the holy place of the tabernacle and temple, that whoever makes incense like it to enjoy its fragrance must be cut off from their people. You cannot make this.
Jake Hilton gives an interesting perspective on not just the recipes themselves, but the shadow pictures of what they truly represent and how it relates to having the Torah written upon our hearts.
Shalom, Torah fans. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Tap the subscription button and the bell icon, and I promise to update weekly with in-depth biblical research. Be sure to download the new michaelrood.tv app for both mobile and home devices for even more commercial-free content.